again. Welcome back to Be Mom. Let me move the thing we're not working on the closet. We are just kind of working through some stuff. Now what I've started, okay, I'm just trying to position it so that it works. So I've started going through things and I have this pile. Oh, you can't see, Melissa, back up. Okay, got it. All right. That's a pile started of things I'm going to keep. And this is a bag for trash. This is the back of my phone that I'm filming on, so I'm going to send it over here. These are the curtain things. And then we have an old receipt that I have already put in my checkbook, so it's in the box. We have a business card that we don't need, so it goes in the box. I'm watching through this and I realized I should have said that putting those receipts in the bag, not in the box. Sorry about that. Now, let's talk about, these are ribbons, and you know I do crafts. And so I have these ribbons. Well, this one looks kind of beat up. And I'm sure if I were like a more advanced crafter person, I could probably do something with it. You know, I'm going to take that back. I was about to say it's all crumpled up and I can't do anything with it, but I keep playing with it, and so I'm undoing it. So I'm totally going to keep this along with this. Oh, all right. Because I don't have a lapel mic, I have to remember that I have to face you. So I'm terribly sorry about that. These are ribbons that came off of packages, but they are so pretty. And you can do stuff with them, so I'm going to keep them. I have a place for my crafting in another room. And so I will put these in that, so they will be able to be put away. All right. This is important paperwork, so it's going to go to my husband's desk because he keeps track of that. This is a journal, so I'm going to put this with, because I like, sometimes in the morning I'll read, I'm a Christian, so I like to read the Bible for my faith, and I like to read my Bible, and I like to talk to God a little bit, and I write some things down in my journal. So this is definitely a keep it. More receipts, a medical card, keep the medical, toss the receipts. All right, let's look at this a little bit. All right, see how this is all torn up? That's okay. I don't really need this magazine, but because my name isn't on it, I can throw it away. Now, what we do for ourselves is, see, my name and everything is on the back here, and I don't want to, share that information with the general public. So my husband has shredder, but we do also burn things outside because we live in an area where you can. We have a large open backyard, and it's safe to make fires in small contained areas. So we'll do that. Then the rest of it, see, I don't need this. Plus, it's online. So if I really wanted to do it, I could just do it online. Then I don't need paper at all. And it's gone. And this again, to my husband's desk. All right. We have a bag. I save bags because I use them for different things. This is a paper bag, so I might not save this as long, and that's okay. So I'm going to save it for a bit until such time as I don't anymore. Okay. You guys in your area have penny saver. We really don't use them very much. These are cards that people have given us, which are really pretty, and it is possible to do crafts with this card. As time goes on, I might start keeping more cards so that I can make ornaments with them or things like that. And again, you're here on YouTube. I'm telling you, there's 1,000 resources. So feel free to look up one of those things. And then it's a way, because, sometimes they're special and you don't want to get rid of them because it means a lot that the people thought about you. And then, so doing a craft with them is a cool way to use them. You can kind of honor people with them. You can even, like if it's a family member or something, you could take the card that they gave you and like take a picture of them and make it into some sort of a frame. But anyway, those are some ideas about a book in my life. Extra paper. So I'm going to put that, we had it turned and you saw the messy area and that's where the paper goes. I'm going to put that right there. So I don't even have to wonder where home is for that. Okay. Here are some other cards. These are, okay, these are different. These are cards that I can send in the future to people for different things. And so one of those baskets that I showed you in my last video that I did today, I'm going to empty that out and use it for these kind of cards so that I can get them handy anytime I want to send a quick card, because I like to do that. I like to put kind thoughts in there for people that touch my heart and send that to them. Okay. This is a gift. Journal gift from my sister that I thought was really sweet. I like the leather binding, so since I journal, this is precious. A card for an app, so I'll save this long enough to look it up, then I'll throw this away. And a quarter. I have a jar in my room, and whenever I use cash, I always pay in all of cash. So if it's like $7.25, then I round it up to $8, and when I get the 75 cents back, I drop it into the jar, and over time, I think one time I took my jar just like a regular quart-sized mason jar. When I took it to dump it out, it was 50 bucks. So there you go. This is all trash, and I don't really need this bag, so I'm just going to throw this whole thing away. But look. That was because I was talking to you. If I wasn't talking to you, it would have taken a good couple minutes less. And my whole box is empty. So there you go. It does not take long to do this. And you can do it. This batch, we didn't have anything that we were going to give away. It was all keep or throw away. So that's okay. Like there's my computer. So that's going to stay on the desk. And journals are going to go with the area where I do my devotional things and keep the journals with that. And I told you about the cards, how I'm going to empty this out. So I think that covers about everything. If you have any questions, if you have ideas about things, if you have ideas about way to make cool containers, because there's also different videos about how you can take a box and like cover it with fabric or something. And then ta-da, you have a cool container that you can keep things in. And so that's a nice inexpensive way to do it. Or you paint it and then you put something on it. For kid things, here's fun. For kid things, you can paint it and then give them some stickers to put like particular toys in. Say you don't have a Lego container. Take your cardboard box, take the sides off, paint the whole thing with spray paint, let it dry, and then take the kids out, get some pretty stickers and say, okay, we're going to decorate the box and this will be special box where your Lego goes. So that's fun. All right, guys, thanks so much. It was great seeing you. Subscribe and send me comments if that helps. And if this was helpful for you, please click like, because that would help me out too.